So I'm going to make a quick video on how to make a technician within ServiceTitan. So from the dashboard, you're going to go to the settings, and then from here, you're going to click on people and technicians. This is where you'll make your new technician. You're going to hit the add button, and now we'll start filling in the information. And you're going to need, from the technician, you're going to need the first and last name, the company position, and the phone number. So we'll start with the name. Then we'll do the company position. So if I would be a affordable installer, you just hit installer. Or if you would be on the service side, you click service. So just pick one. License type, it's non-managed technician. This is what we want right now. And if we want it to be managed, that will be up to Brian. He'll make that call. Role is technician. The skills we will leave blank, as well as the business unit. Brian will decide these. Mobile phone number. So we are going to want to use this for the technician. So just put in. And the email we will leave blank. We will not be using the email, just the phone number, as well as the outbound caller ID. Leave this blank. We will not need it. Next, we'll need to enable the mobile access, and by default it is enabled. So under the upcoming appointment visibility, we're going to scroll all the way down and use the show all assigned dispatch and working appointments for today and tomorrow only. The appointment history, it's set to the last 3 days, and this is what we'll use. The price book categories, we're not going to worry about this right now. If we do decide to use this, we'll change it at a later date. And then under the new account status, we're going to hit the drop down and pick create a username and password. So now we're going to make the username for the technician, and it is case sensitive. So usually what we do is just the first and last name, all lowercase, no spaces. And for the password, we make it the same for all the new accounts. It's just one affordable $ capital A, and this is case sensitive. So that will be the password. Under team, this is going to go based off of our company position we selected. So if we were affordable install, we would pick that team. I picked service, and I am affordable technician, so we're going to click affordable service. We will leave the main zone empty, as well as all zones and the memo. We're going to leave these 3 boxes empty. We will leave the daily revenue goal and the burden rate empty. We're not going to worry about these. For the truck, what we'll do is click the drop down and just pick none. And we will leave the inventory warehouse blank as well. Home address, this whole field right here, we will leave all of these blank. We're not going to fill any of these out. Under human resources, we're going to pick a manager, and for affordable, we're just going to pick Brian. If it was 5-star, it would be Troy, and Iowa Appliance, it would be Natasha. And then now we're going to click Save Changes. Continue. And saying action canceled. User with the name Ethan Ganner already exists. So up here, underneath the username, it's saying that this username already exists, and it does because I am in the ServiceTitan database for our company. And it's not going to let us move forward with this username. So what you could do is just add a 1 to the end of it. And as long as that hasn't already been used, this should accept it. The only thing is this, it's not just reading from our database, it's reading from all companies who use ServiceTitan. So if this username was in a different company that uses ServiceTitan, it would still error us out. So we'll go ahead and give this a try now. Continue. And it did accept. So now what we'll do is we'll back out, we'll go back to the technicians page, and under name here, there's like a little arrow thing. We can click on this and just search who we just made. So here I am, this is the account we just made. I see here's the name, the phone number, and the username that we just had to edit. So what we now would do is click this edit button to the right. At the top, there's a payroll section. You're going to click that, and you're going to check include in payroll. Now you might be wondering, why didn't we just do this before when we made the profile? And the reason is ServiceTitan has a glitch where if you were to do it at the same time, it would air out and basically everything it already done would be done for nothing. You'd have to remake the entire technician. And it's a glitch ServiceTitan has. They don't really want to fix it. So this is kind of the workaround where you have to back out, go back in, go to payroll, and check it. So we'll go down, hit save changes. We'll leave all this blank. We don't need to mess with it. We'll click the save changes, go back to technicians, and as you can see here I am, you can go back in just to make sure it's saved. And it did. So that is how you would make a technician. And if you go back to the technicians page, as you can see, here's what I just made. Here's the username, and we are going to use this within the mobile app, which I will be making a separate video on and showing you how to do that.